This is the equation of a line, and we're going to put everything in y equals mx plus b form. This is our equation. And there's two steps. Number one is to find the slope, and that's what we're going to do over here. Number two is to find the y-intercept. That's our b right here. So that's number one. That's number two. And then once we do, we will have some equation that we can fill in, our m and our b. Okay? So the first step is to find the slope. So given a point, 3, 4, on the line, and a slope of -3, find the equation of the line. Well, we already know the slope. It's -3. Okay. Now to find the b, you have two options. I'll show you the first one, and that's to take the equation that we know, y equals mx plus b, and plug in what we know. We know an x, we know a y, and we now know the m. So if we plug in the y, the m, and the x, all we're left with is b. This now gives us something that we can solve. So we now know our b. Taking those two together, our slope is -3. Our y-intercept is 13. The other option is to use this little formula. It's called point slope form. And we're going to plug it in. So we take our y coordinate, which is 4. We take our known slope, which is -3, and our x, which is 3, and plug it in. And now we have the equation of a line. It's not in the form we want. We're still going to have to solve it, but that is our equation. So it's y minus 4 equals -3x, you must distribute, plus 9, and then you can just add the 4. And that's two ways to get the equation of a line. Alright, I want you to try these steps. So pick which method you like and try it. I don't need to see both, just do a method. Alright, so hit pause, give it a shot. And there you have it. So whichever method you like and you use, you should have gotten y equals 2x plus 7. And then you still want to check these. So we see that our slope is 2. That's good. And we still want to plug that point in. So to check it, make sure that our point is correct. So we plug it in. And that's 5. It's -2 plus 7. And there it is. -2 plus 7 does equal 5. It checks. Always take the information they're giving you and check it with your equation. Alright, so now what if the slope is not given? Well, we already know how to find the slope. We get to use our formula. It's y2 minus y1, our rise, over our x2 minus x1, our run. So that would be x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 1 over 1. So our slope is 1. And now you can pick your method, whichever one you like, to find the b. So I'll do both methods again. So y equals mx plus b. And you get a point to choose from. I like this one better because it's smaller. You can also use the 4, 3. So I'm going to plug in 2, 1, and 3. And just keep solving until I get my b. And there it is. So it's 1x minus 1, m and b. Or we use the other formula. So that's y minus 2, and our slope we found was 1, and then x minus 3. So y minus 2, x minus 3, add the 2 over, and there it is. Exact same equation. So that's it. If you don't know the slope, you use the slope formula, it'll give you the slope, and then we do exactly the same. So finding the y-intercept, or the equation of the line, on part 2, is always the same. And I don't want you doing both methods. I want you just to pick one. So pick a method for this and give it a try. Alright, I'm not going to write any work in here. I'm just going to write the answer. So give it a shot. Hit pause now. And there's your equation. And how do I know it's correct? Well, we can just check it real quick. We plug in our numbers that they've given us. And there it is. 3 plus 2 is 5. Check the other number. -4 equals -3 times 2 plus 2. It's -6 plus 2. And that also equals -4. Checks. And that's how to find the equation of a line. Thank you.